Hello viewers, welcome to day 12 of this Datsun 26 restoration series. In the last episode, we finally got the oil filter removed from the car. That is super hard to remove. Y'all saw the damage in the last video. If not, you should go rewatch it. And if you just recently saw this video or one of the other videos, go all the way back. You should go all the way back to the start so you can understand everything that is going on in this 2026 restoration series. I'm hoping that today is one of the last days that we will actually be working on this car, so I am super excited for that. There's only one thing on the car that we're not going to be able to do today, and that is installing the throttle position sensor. And, basically it's not here right now, and I think that's really the only thing we need in order to get the car actually started. Other than that, I can pretty much get everything else done today. Yeah, I'm excited to be here with you guys today. If you will, please like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get to the video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install the new oil filter. This is the new oil filter right here, undestroyed and also unopened. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Alright, so this is the new oil filter right here. Take a good look at it. Clean and undestroyed, unlike the last one, which you should totally go watch that last video. It was absolutely hilarious. Oh, well, that's interesting. Look what we got here. Y'all literally just watched me take it out of the box. I did not do any of that. Bro. What? Y'all. It's damaged. A little bit. Not completely, but like, I just took this out of the box. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Going in. Whenever you're installing a new oil filter, you always want to put a little bit of oil around the new seal, so that way it seals on there better. Pro tip for whenever you want to use it. Alright, so also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a new oil cap. And I'll show you why we're installing a new one after I install it. This oil cap actually has really something really cool. This tip right here. This tip is magnetic. So if there's any debris or any metal things gathering around the engine, it'll just stick onto here. And to prove to you it's magnetic, see this tool right here? Sticks right on. Alright, let's get to work. So when they installed this piece, this bolt, they had put a plastic sealing on here, which had covered the entire screw. So when I was trying to loosen it, it kind of damaged the screw because I had nowhere to grip. So now that it's damaged, we had to get a new one, which is actually pretty good because now we have a magnetic one. Now the next step is to pour the new oil in.